Early morning walks, they have a way of opening my eyes to the world's unnoticed rhythms. Today, it's the dedicated soul. It's the people in the trucks making the early inventory delivery so that businesses can actually do what they need to do day to day. It's the landscapers that are artfully shaping this beautiful beach. Each person is deeply immersed in their grind. And as I walk, a thought strikes me. We pour so much immense effort and time and energy into our jobs, which there's nothing wrong with that. We need to be able to create some sort of sustainability. But the health, our well-being for a paycheck at the end of each week or each 2 weeks, but what if we could direct some of that energy, right? What if we could choose to invest in crafting the life that resonates more deeply with who we are? Hard work is always going to be something we have to do. It's always something, no matter the path we take, right? But there's something profoundly different about laboring for a life that feels more authentically yours. A life that doesn't just pay the bills, but also pays tribute to our deepest aspirations, our goals. So as you start the day,